Now, the pen software comes with two types of versions. I call this one the whiteboard version, and this one's called overlay mode. So here is the whiteboard. I'm going to press this and it's going to give me the toolbar. So just like any other normal whiteboard, you stand up and say, you wanted to list out, the three most important functions of your department. Just like a normal whiteboard, you can write these three down, but you have a lot more options. See, with that whiteboard right there, you draw all that, but what happens with that afterwards? You have to erase it. But with this, you have multiple sheets all at once. And not only do you have multiple sheets, you can save, print directly to it. So let's just go over the two commands first, and then we'll go over the application commands. So you have three different options for colors. You can choose any type of color, any type of width. If you really wanted to get specific, you can even change the type of color that you wanted. Now it's going to be this blue. So this is to redo and undo, and this is the select button. How you would use that is, let's say you had a shape. But as you can see, that's not a good triangle. So with this button right here, it's an auto shape. So triangle, and voila. It's going to fix it up to how it's supposed to be. Now if we wanted to do that select button and say, you know what, this has to be a little bit bigger on its axis, you're able to do that as well by selecting the arrow.
So that selects
the object. If the object's a shape or if it's a picture, it's going to select that and you're able to manipulate that.
What about text? Text?
It will not select text. Oh, actually will.
Yes, it will. Now, is that a glass screen?
This is a glass screen.
So so the banging with that pen isn't going to do anything
no,
to the
it's
screen.
not.
Okay.
This is a very strong commercial grade quality.
Okay.
The touch is on the outside, then you have glass, and you have an LCD panel with an LED backlight. So another button right here is the split screen. Now when I click this, you're going to have half of the screen accessed. The main use for this is teleconferencing. So if you wanted to have a teleconference, a web conference, you're able to do that. You can have the face of someone on that screen while you're talking to them. And while we're talking about teleconferencing, let me explain a few things. Just like any other time where you have your two laptops and you're talking to someone remotely, what you're able to do is give them access to the screen. And when you give them access to the screen, they can see what you're doing on the whiteboard, no matter where they are, whether it's on a laptop or an iPad. And they can even write on the whiteboard if you give them access to control your screen.